Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to do some mathematical calculation. And what are these? Well, we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of the time and a bit of science, how to calculate time using longitude and latitude. So what are we waiting for? Let us get started. Now let us first look at the addition of the time. So now let us begin with the addition of a time. Now here we can take any two numbers, and for the example here I am taking 19 hours and 42 minutes, adding with 75 hours and 80 minutes. So are you ready? Now at first we need to separate these hours and minutes. Now add hours and minutes separately. Adding 42 and 80 minutes give us 122 minutes, and adding 19 and 75 hours give us 94 hours. Now 122 really weird. A minute is equal to 60 seconds at least. Now we need to pass some extra minutes to 94 hour. So as we know, 2 hours is equal to 120 minutes, as 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now here 2 is extra and means 2 is a left number. So this 2 will remain in the minutes, and another 120 minutes, which is equal to 2 hours, will be passed on to 34 hours, and the answer we get is 96 hours, which means a real answer after give us the answer as 62 hours and 2 minutes. And if you don't believe me, check it yourself, the addition of the time. So I hope you understand. Now let us see how to subtract the time. So let us begin with subtracting the time. The subtraction is same as the addition. Like if you take any numbers and you subtract it, and then the remaining in the minutes, if it is more than 60, it will be passed on to the hours. And this is how we do subtraction. So it is very easy. I need not to give an example and explain it. So now let us begin with another topic, how to calculate the time of any place with the help of longitude and latitude. Let us start. But before starting this topic, I need to tell you some common points about longitudes and latitudes, which will help you in further details. My first point is that the earth covers 1 degree in 4 minutes. My second point is that you should know about prime meridian, a line like a equator but a longitude. The third point I would like to share with you is that the prime meridian line, in the east of it the time always adds, and in the west of it time always subtracts. The fourth point is that the degrees of the prime meridian is 0 degrees. My last but not the least, my fifth point is that the prime meridian, which passes through the Greenwich, where the British Royal Observation is located. You should remember it. And you know the time there is called Greenwich Meridian Time, GMT. So now what are we waiting for? We have discussed all the 5 points. Now let us begin with the calculation. Suppose you need to know the time in 15 degrees east and the GMT is 12 p.m. So how would we know? First you need to multiply 50 by the 4. Why with the 4? Remember the first point. Now after multiplying it, we get answer as 60. Now 60 is in the minutes, but what if we need in the hour? you just convert it into the hours and the answer we get is 1 hour, right? Now remember the question, 15 degrees east. Now as I said, in the east time always add. So if GMT is 12 p.m. then we have to add 1 hour to it. And the answer will be p.m. right? Here I have one more question for you like that. What about 45 degrees west? Try it yourself. I will give you some time to think on it and your time starts now.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something.
If you need a little more time, you should pause the video because now I'm going to tell you the answer.
Play dead
And our answer is 11 a.m. If your answer is that means you are right. Now let me tell you the solution. Now here the question is 45 degrees west. So 45 multiplied by 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Not degrees, just 180. And if we convert it into hours, we will get 3 hours, right? But now you should remember east or west. And here we have it west, where the time always subtract. So 3 hours subtract by 2 p.m. which was a GMT, Greenwich Meridian time. So 2 p.m. subtracted by 3 hours is 11 a.m. and that's how you should calculate. And this is why I said you to remember all those 5 points. It would be very easier for you to do all this calculation. And yeah, 2 more things. The first thing is that tell me in the comment box that your answer was right or wrong. And the second thing is that I'm giving you some questions in the screen. Try to answer them and send me in the comment box. If those are right, I will tell you. If not, then again I will tell you. And I will tell you how to do it correctly, so you can understand it properly. So here I end up my video. Now you know it, my dialogue. If you like this video, click on the likes button, comment my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and even share with the needed ones. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do the homework which I gave you, the calculation, and don't forget to comment me your answer in the comment box so I could know do you know it or not, and if you don't, I will help you. So we will meet in the next video. And after some videos, I will try to tell you who won this challenge, who sent me all the answers correctly and first. There are 3 winners and I will let you know. Till then, do the homework and try to win yourself.